One truth that your inverter installer will never tell you. This truth, even is not all inverter installer that knows it. I'm going to tell you today. So even if you are an installer, sit down, learn new thing today. It might be what you don't even know of. Yeah, we are in the generation of hybrid inverter. And before you see any installer that you will approach, they will want to upsell you to buy hybrid inverter, saying that hybrid inverter is very small, portable, flat, it looks luxury and classy. Hybrid inverter will make your home to look good. Your space will not be jam-packed. Yes, that is how it looks, and that is the truth. But there's one thing that most people don't know about hybrid inverter, and it's the fact that hybrid inverter that we are seeing, apart from the name that we are hailing, what is inside hybrid inverter is still the same thing that is inside sachet inverter. That flat inverter, sachet inverter that they are selling 50,000, 70,000 for 3,000 watt, 3 kV of it. I'm telling you the truth. That is what is inside. The only difference that is there is that one has a big panel, one has a small panel. And of course, sachet inverter has a smaller panel than that of the new hybrid inverter that they are selling now. The only thing that is new in hybrid inverter is the fact that it comes with inbuilt charge controller. And to everything that has advantage, always have disadvantage. The disadvantage is that when something bad happens outside and your solar panel, your PV bring in large currents and something happens, the charge controller might get spoiled. And the fact that the charge controller gets faulty, it means that you are going to take all the inverter down to the engineer. Something you can just change ordinarily. Now you will have to carry your inverter. And your engineer will now, the kind of engineer you meet will now be the one to decide maybe your inverter is going to work or is not going to work. The truth is that it is better to use a transformer-based inverter, most especially if you are using large energy consumption loads like AC, fridge. My brother, to an inverter, to an hybrid inverter that has 5 kV on it, what you can enjoy from it at most is 3.5 kVA. So why deceiving yourself? And the truth is that what is inside the box is cheap, and they are still selling it more than transformer base. Is still more expensive than transformer base. Meanwhile, by default, the cost of production is like 1 out of 3 of the production of transformer base, meaning that the marketers are the one duping Nigerians. It's not that hybrid inverters are expensive. They are not expensive at all. The only difference that is there is that they decided to add charge controller to it, and that is what differentiates sachet inverter and them. This is a truth that nobody is going to tell you, but it has been proven. I'm telling you, hybrid inverter, if you want to use large load, is a waste of money. It will get points. So just kukuma go for transformer based inverter. In America, transformer based inverter are expensive than hybrid inverter, but in Nigeria here, hybrid inverter is expensive than transformer based. Can't you see that there's problem? Can't you see that it's marketers that are adding money to it? And that is the truth. Don't forget, my name remains Kolawole Emmanuel Adebare, and my contact is 070 67 06 71 59. I repeat myself, 070 67 06 71 59. You can also call me with my second line, that which is 0812 613 9200. The program is GWCT Solar Ibadan. Don't forget, you can also reach out to me so as to discuss how to make your home meaningful, how to bring in light to your space. And that's for that. Don't forget, kindly call us, invite us to work for you. That is what is gingering us. And believe me, if I can know this thing, you should know that my advice when it comes to your decision making will be 100. One is for me to advise you to do the right thing. One is for you to pick the one that you want. Don't forget, you have a freedom of selection. And I will always recommend the best for you. GWCT Solar Ibadan loves you. You can call me to any state. Your own is just to have the best service. And my own is to prove to you that I can come to your state and still give you the best of it. That's for that. Peace.